a game changer. Let's learn how to make it. Start with some dry salmon that you dry with some paper towels, and you're gonna coat each side with white pepper and sea salt. Coat each side. Then you're going to coat each side with avocado oil. Just kind of massage it right in there. Yes, massage all that salmon. Now let's learn to make the sauce. So you're gonna get a mixing bowl, about a small or medium mixing bowl, and pour half a cup of hot sauce. You can use any hot sauce you like. And then you need to get your honey. I'm using clove honey, and you want to use 1/3 cup and pour that right into the hot sauce. And now you need to get some fresh garlic. Fresh garlic is always better. You're going to grate that right into the sauce. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. There you go. And now you're going to mix that until it's smooth. And this is going to a shallow pan, and on medium-high heat, you're going to place your salmon without any oil. And now you're going to add that delicious sauce you just made and baste the salmon on each side and add more honey. Keep basting and flipping. And once you have a beautiful blackening, you're going to add the remainder of the sauce and cook that until the sauce is nice and sticky. Get that bubble. Lemon rings, very even, and get some fresh chives and cut them up into small pieces. Add some hot sauce, plate your lemon, and now plate that sticky, beautiful salmon. Hot sauce and a honey drizzle. And now we're gonna garnish with some chives. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And enjoy. Hello, I'm Chef Moise, personal chef and meal curator. Please make sure you like and subscribe to keep up to date with videos, recipes, menus, and how-tos. And I'll see you next time.